In today's video, I will walk you through how to cancel Replit subscription. Start from your Replit dashboard. At the top left of the screen, click the Replit logo to open the main navigation menu. From there, select Account to open your account settings. This is where you'll find the settings related to your profile, security, and billing. Once you're on the account page, look for the billing section. Depending on the layout, it may appear as a tab or a panel labeled Billing. Open it to view your subscription details, including your current plan, payment method, and invoices. Inside the Billing section, find the option labeled Manage Subscription and click it. This opens the subscription management page where you can make changes to your current plan, including canceling your subscription. If you don't see the Manage Subscription option, it may mean there isn't an active paid subscription on the account you're using, or your subscription is managed somewhere else, such as through an organization or an external app store. If the option is available, continue to the next step. On the subscription management page, select Cancel. Replit may ask you to choose a reason for canceling before continuing. If you're prompted, select the appropriate reason, then confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. After confirming, wait for the confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been canceled successfully. Once you see that message, the cancellation process is complete. In many cases, you'll continue to have access to your paid features until the end of your current billing period. After that period ends, your account will automatically return to the free plan. Your projects and code will remain available, but the paid features included with your subscription will no longer be active. After canceling, check for a confirmation message or confirmation email so you have a record that the cancellation was completed. If you have more than one Replit account, make sure you completed these steps on the correct account before leaving the page. If you decide you want the paid features again in the future, you can return to the same billing section and subscribe again whenever you need to. Keep in mind that it may take a short time for your dashboard and any billing information or receipts to reflect the change. If you don't see the update immediately, wait a little while and check again. That's all you need to do to cancel your Replit subscription. By opening the Replit menu, going to Account, selecting Billing, choosing Manage Subscription, and confirming Cancel, you've completed the cancellation process successfully. Thank you for watching.